So the solid melted and it turned into liquid. And now we are going to investigate what happens to these particles when the temperature is increased. We will explore how the particle movement changes throughout the process. So these are the liquid particles. They are not very close to each other. And let's start increasing the temperature. Notice that with increased temperature, the particles started evaporating. We've increased the temperature even more, and more particles are now turning into gas. These particles that you see roaming around are the gas particles. Notice how often the particles evaporate at higher temperature, and notice the speed of the movement. If we increase the temperature even more, particles will move even faster. In fact, at higher temperatures, the gas particles gain more energy from heat and they start moving faster. This is the process of evaporation where liquid turns into gas.